Fragrance buying continues. Promised my wife I would stop, but it's a hard habit to kick.
Hey guys, what's going on? Wagwan me peeps, wagwan me peoples. Alain here back in the building for White Boys Fragrance Corner, and today it's all about an unboxing and first impressions video. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, I'll definitely appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at whiteboys_fragrance_corner to stay up to date with me. Now, it's been a while since I've done this, couple weeks, couple months, but yeah, here we go. This is a fragrance I wanted for some time, finally found it. And this is Issey Miyaki Le de Issey pour Homme or Encense, or Encens, something like that. Now, this is a 2017 release. It is considered to be a amber woody fragrances. The perfumer behind this is Christophe Renard, and this gets talked about a lot. I own plenty Issey Miyaki fragrances. It's definitely, if not my favorite designer house fragrances concerned. And I own Pulse of the Night, Argent Noir. Is it Argent Noir or Noir Argent? I own that. I own the Nuit d'Issey Parfum, Summer 2017, Shades of Lagoon, you name it. I own plenty of them. This was very high on the list. And Amber Noir. Is it Amber Noir? Noir Amber. That's high on the list. Crossing my fingers. I'm in the process of obtaining it, because I think that fragrance is a bit challenging to come by. So anyhow, let's get to the unboxing. I got my little Swiss knife and let's see what this is all about. Now, some of the notes in this are top notes: rose, lapdanum. In the middle now, you have some cumin, you have some incense, you got pink pepper. Base note now, you have amberwood, leather, you got some vetiver, you get cedar wood, right? Yeah, so here we go. Now, most Issey Miyaki boxes, you open them from the top and they're a bit flimsy. Now this is a sturdy box. This actually feels a bit more exclusive. This feels a bit more expensive. I don't think Noir Argent was in a box like this, if memory serves correct. I think it was in a normal Issey Miyaki box. Now you see the color, you have like a matte black to a glass black with gold writing. Of course, this is a eau de parfum concentration, 100 ml, and you pull it out like this. So the presentation makes it look a level above from the normal Issey Miyakis. Pull it out like this, and then the bottle fits snug in there. And presentations like this always make a fragrance look exclusive. It makes a fragrance look more expensive. So the bottle fits snug in there. Typical Issey Miyaki style bottle, but again with the gold writing, it looks a bit more, you know. The cap sits firmly, and I'm going to spray this on hand because I know this is going to be a good fragrance. Issey Miyaki is actually one of those designers that make niche quality fragrances. So let's see. Very good atomizer. Alright. You get the rose, you get the leather. You don't get a whole lot of pink pepper, but you get some of the labdanum. Alright, yep, this is what Issey Miyaki does. It leaves you almost speechless. Now this opening, the leather comes across, but not too leathery. The rose comes across, but not too rosy. It smells like a expensive niche perfume. It does. Like, this is one of the things I wouldn't expect from a designer. Wow. Yeah. That's all I can say. Wow. Holy crap, this the opening is wow. It's definitely not a unisex fragrance per se. I think this tends to lean more masculine. Wow. This is good. This is a good fragrance. I'll definitely have to give this some wear to see what the performance is like. Based on what I've seen on Fragrantica, the performance on this should be good, and it doesn't smell designer, none at all. It really doesn't. So the presentation is fitting for the fragrance because it's borderline niche. And this is not the only fragrance from Issey Miyaki that I've said this. It's really borderline niche. It is something. This is good, guys. Definitely a colder weather nighttime out fragrance. So far, this smells amazing, guys. I'm just gonna leave it at that. But I'm going to give this some wear, and do a proper review on it. But so far, it lives up to the hype. It lives up to my expectations. And the rose and leather combo with that amber wood, it's nice. I won't talk about it anymore, guys, I promise. But if I can find a bottle reasonable, it's definitely worth checking out. This is lovely. This is amazing, and this is one of the reasons why I love the house of Issey Miyaki. So that's it. I'm cutting my first impressions right there. Right? As usual, feel free to leave your comments in the section below, in the comment section, and I'll answer as quickly as I can. And yeah, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. This is White Boy checking out. Stay blessed, and most importantly, stay safe. All right?